How do you play Fortnite on a Chromebook? The best way to sideload the Fortnite Android app on your Chromebook. Whereas it is attainable to sideload the Epic Video Games installer and Fortnite on some Chromebooks, it is a pretty difficult course and it does not work with most Chromebooks. It's a must to allow developer mode, allow Android apps, allow apps from unknown sources, and obtain the Epic Video Games launcher yourself utilizing an Android cell phone. In any case in case your Chromebook does not make the grade, you will not have the ability to set up or play Fortnite. Here is methods to sideload Fortnite in your Chromebook. Turn on Chrome OS developer mode in your Chromebook. Turn on Android apps for Chrome OS in your Chromebook. Navigate to settings greater than Google Play retailer greater than handle Android preferences. Faucet safety. Faucet unknown sources. Navigate to fortnite.com/android on an Android machine and save Epic Games app.app when prompted. Join your Android cell phone to your Chromebook with a USB cable, and switch Epic Games. Run Epic Games app.app in your Chromebook. Click on Package Deal Installer. Click on or Faucet Setup. Click on or Faucet Open. Click on or Faucet Setup. If you happen to see a gray device not supported field as an alternative of a yellow setup button, which means your Chromebook is not able to working Fortnite. Full the setup, and begin enjoying Fortnite. The best way to play Fortnite on Chromebook utilizing Chrome Distant Desktop. In case your Chromebook is not able to putting in or working the Android model of Fortnite, you possibly can strive enjoying by means of Chrome Distant Desktop. That is an app that connects your Chromebook to a desktop or laptop computer, home Windows or macOS PC, and also you truly use that PC to play Fortnite. To make use of this technique, you may want a home Windows or macOS PC that is able to enjoying Fortnite and a quick web connection. Sluggish community speeds, your Chromebook, hardware, and your home Windows or macOS PC, hardware, can all affect the general efficiency of Fortnite utilizing this technique. Whereas this technique works, your total efficiency will probably be worse than if you happen to had been simply enjoying in your home Windows or macOS PC. Here is methods to play Fortnite on a Chromebook utilizing Chrome Distant Desktop. Arrange Chrome Remote Desktop on a PC able to enjoying Fortnite. Install the Chrome Remote Desktop app in your Chromebook. Utilizing your Chromebook, connect with your home Windows or Mac OS PC and enter your PIN, if prompted. Open the Epic Video Games retailer and launch Fortnite. Play Fortnite by means of Chrome Distant Desktop. Why does not Fortnite work on Chromebooks? Epic decides which platforms to launch Fortnite on, and so they've chosen to not help Chrome OS or Linux. Meaning there is no such thing as official technique to play Fortnite on a Chromebook even if you happen to set up and run a full model of Linux. If Epic ever decides to help Linux, then working the Linux Fortnite app will probably be the easiest way to play Fortnite in your Chromebook. Till then, you possibly can both sideload the Fortnite Android app or play utilizing Chrome Distant Desktop related to a PC that is able to enjoying Fortnite. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. Don't forget to share.